Let's take a look at a kitchen and bath mechanical plan a little bit more in depth. In architectural drawings, a mechanical plan generally just includes the HVAC, that would be the heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and there is a separate plan for electrical. However, you will see that in kitchen and bath drawings, the mechanical plan includes all electrical, lighting, and any ventilation, so exhaust fans either in the kitchen or in the bathroom. Because there is so much information included on a kitchen and bath mechanical plan, it's often one of the most complex drawings to complete. You will see that the mechanical plan shows all outlets, both standard duplex outlets as well as specialty outlets, whether they be 240 volt for a particular appliance or just a dedicated outlet for a particular appliance. It's important to note that dimensions are not provided for the receptacles. However, in your mechanical legend, each receptacle has a note explaining what that receptacle is for, if it's a dedicated outlet or if it's a 240 volt outlet. You will see that all of the lighting within the space is also drawn on the mechanical plan, as well as all of the switches. This includes under cabinet lighting, any task lighting above the sink or above an island, recessed cans located throughout the space. In a bathroom, it would include any wall sconces located above the vanity. And then the circuiting from the switch to the light is also shown. For example, if we look at this switch, we'll see that the circuiting goes from the switch to this light above the sink. That means that this switch will control this light. Similarly, the switch right next to it shows circuiting to the under cabinet lights, all the way over to this one and all of these under cabinet lights as well. That means that this switch controls all of the under cabinet lights. It's important to remember that according to the NKBA guidelines, it's necessary to have a switch at every entrance of the kitchen. So you can see that there are two entrances to this kitchen, and therefore there is a switch at this entrance controlling all of these recessed downlights, and also a switch at this entrance controlling the same recessed downlights. Those switches are referred to as a three-way switch, meaning it can be controlled in multiple locations. The dimensioning standards are still the same as they are for any kitchen and bath drawing. You will see we have the same 3 dimension strings, the outermost being the entire length of the wall, the middle dimension string used for center lines of appliances and fixtures, and the innermost dimension string for any openings in the wall. And again, remember we dimension to the outside of the window trim. On the mechanical plan, there are also some additional dimensions included, and those would be dimensions to any lights located in the ceiling. We have to let the electrical contractor know exactly where to place those light fixtures. Therefore, we provide center line dimensions to the center of each and every light fixture located within the ceiling. If we look at the recessed cans located on this plan, we will see that both east-west dimensions are provided as well as north-south dimensions. That way they know exactly where to install those light fixtures. So if we start here with this recessed light, we can see that it is 15 inches off of the counter to the center. And if we look over here, we'll see the dimension 15 inches off of this counter to the center. These light fixtures are 47 inches apart, 36 inches apart, and 36 inches apart. Lastly, you will see, again located on the right, the mechanical legend as well as any notes would be located there. So it's important to remember that when you're discussing kitchen and bath drawings, if you hear the term mechanical plan, remember that it is different than what you would expect from architectural drawings. It contains all electrical, all lighting, and any ventilation or additional heating units.